Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 mouse cursor freeze every few seconds. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a device manager and open device manager. After opening that, first of all, going to your display adapter, expand it and select the display driver. So right click and click on update driver, click search automated from device, and after doing this that, um, click on search for update driver on Windows Update. Now, if any updates is available, then download and install now. So after completing that, restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this, that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, type a device manager, open device manager, click on a display adapter, right click on update driver, click on browse my computer from driver, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computer, select a hardware name and click on next to continue. After completing that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager and open a device manager. After doing this step, select a mic and other mounting devices. Scroll down and select a mouse adapter. Click on uninstall the device, and after uninstalling that, restart your computer. And after doing that, your device automatically installed, and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.